Hello kids, it's me Teddy. Today, we're going to draw the famous DC superhero known as the Flash. To start, let's draw a stretched V shape and join its two ends by making a reverse U shape. Then, draw a divided shape for his ears. Repeat the same shape on the other side. Now, we'll draw two ovals for his eyes and two curved lines for his eyebrows. Next, draw an upside-down C shape for the mask, a C shape for his nose, and a curved line for his mouth. Add two circular shapes for his eye pupils, and two lightning bolt shapes to complete the design of his head. Now, add a C shape for his neck. Let's move on to his body. To start, make a bowl-like shape for his chest. Below that, draw a hooked shape for his side torso and left leg. Also make another hooked shape, slightly shorter, for his right leg and other side of torso. Join them together and add a slanted T shape for the pelvis. For the foot, draw a U shape. Okay, friends, now we'll focus on his left arm. Start by drawing a C curve adjacent to the chest and lat muscles, and another C curve from his face. Make an L shape on one side, followed by a C curve and a straight line on the other side. Connect them both by drawing a B shape for the fist, adding 4 curves inside it and a 5th curve outside for his thumb. Now, let's move to his other arm. Draw a C curve that joins from his chest to his face. Then, make a curved bracket-like shape and extend a hooked shape from it, connecting it to the other side. Next, let's create his belt in the shape of a thunderbolt. Draw a zigzag line on one side, then flip it to the same shape on the other side. Now, draw his symbol by creating a thunderbolt shape and adding 2 C curves on each side. Lastly, add some lines coming out of the symbol, and include some thunder signs around its body to make it look like he's emitting energy. That's it, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back soon with another video. Until then, happy drawing!